Were you or a loved one involved in a devastating truck accident in Ibadan? The aftermath can be overwhelming, mounting medical bills, lost income, and the sheer emotional toll. You're likely searching for answers and, more importantly, justice. That's where experienced truck wreck attorneys come in. Unlike typical car accidents, truck wrecks often involve complex regulations, multiple liable parties, and significant insurance coverage. Navigating this legal maze alone can be incredibly challenging and could jeopardize your chances of receiving the full compensation you deserve. So, what exactly do truck wreck attorneys do? We specialize in these complex cases. Our primary goal is to protect your rights and fight tirelessly to secure the maximum compensation possible for your injuries, damages, and suffering. Here's what a dedicated truck wreck attorney in Ibadan will do for you. Thorough investigation. We conduct an in-depth investigation into the cause of the accident. This includes reviewing police reports, witness statements, driver logs, vehicle maintenance records, and even black box data from the truck. We leave no stone unturned to determine negligence. Identifying all liable parties. Truck accidents can involve more than just the truck driver. Potentially liable parties include the trucking company, the owner of the truck, the manufacturer of defective parts, cargo loaders, and even government entities responsible for road maintenance. Our expertise helps identify everyone who should be held accountable. Dealing with insurance companies. Insurance companies are businesses, and their priority is often to minimize payouts. We act as your shield, handling all communication with the insurance adjusters. We understand their tactics and will fiercely negotiate on your behalf to ensure a fair settlement. Building a strong case. We meticulously gather evidence, consult with accident reconstruction experts and medical professionals, and build a compelling case that demonstrates the negligence of the responsible parties and the extent of your damages. Protecting your legal rights. We ensure all legal deadlines are met and that your rights are protected throughout the entire process. We guide you through every step, explaining complex legal jargon in a way you can understand. Aggressive negotiation and litigation. While many cases are settled out of court, we are always prepared to take your case to trial if necessary to fight for the justice you deserve. Our trial experience is a significant asset in achieving the best possible outcome. Why is it crucial to hire truck wreck attorneys specifically? Because the laws and regulations governing the trucking industry are intricate. We possess the specialized knowledge and experience to navigate these complexities effectively. We understand the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations, FMCSR, hours of service rules, and other industry-specific laws that often play a critical role in truck accident cases. Time is of the essence after a truck accident. Evidence can disappear and witness memories can fade. Contacting a truck wreck attorney in Ibadan as soon as possible allows us to begin our investigation promptly and build the strongest possible case on your behalf. If you or someone you know has been injured in a truck accident, don't face this battle alone. Seeking the guidance of experienced truck wreck attorneys can make a significant difference in the outcome of your case. We are here to provide compassionate support and aggressive legal representation. Are you searching for a truck accident lawyer near me in Ibadan? We offer a free, no-obligation consultation to discuss your case and answer your questions. Don't wait. Take the first step towards justice and recovery today.